Hello guys, welcome my another video. Today I will discuss about jQuery Append and Prepared. What is the benefit of this table? For discuss about before I'll tell about for making this table all kinds of source code you can download 100% free from my website. Website link just see my video description guys. Already you see that. If you click demo add a new item, when you click then see this interface. You can type first name, any kinds of name, then type last name for sign, then age, okay, 30. Also you can type another name like Asad Bhai, and also age what about 40. Done. You see that already the two columns is entered in here. Also if you like to add no problem, self add a new item, click, then add any item. And also if you like to delete any items like this line you like to delete, self press the delete icon, then already it's deleted. That's the interesting things. Already I told for making this table all kinds of source code you can download 100% free. Website link just see my video description. When you click this link then you will see this interface. That's my website interface. Self scroll down, then see get source code and other file. Must be you have to download 2 files, otherwise you can make this interface. Okay guys, and also if you scroll up then see demo list. You see that demo list. If you click demo list then see there are big lists of demo. Okay, in the interface you can got one to about 49 demo in here. That is a very big item. Now I'm discuss about the last one, jQuery Append and Prepend method tutorial. You see that left side view details. If you click view details then see view details, and also if you click view demo then see view demo. Okay guys, no problem. So now we'll make this table. Let's go. Must be you have to go your cdiff, then jam, and then stdocs, and now I am making table 53. Okay, that's already I have made 53, and you see that I'm downloaded from my website table just 2 files. Okay, there's one and there's one. Now I am extract in here. Okay, now delete file delete, because already I have extract. When I am extract then one item to demo, then js and index html and readme. This file is already extracted here, and must be you have to open this index. Okay, for what I am tell. Okay, so sorry, open virtual studio code. Okay, you see that guys, there's one you can change your table title name from here very easily. How now I am share. You see there's one that is jQuery Append and Prepared method tutorial. That's if you like to change this title, no problem, you can change from here. And also simply way to create a append elements, and also you can change from here guys. And also maybe you already you follow simply way to create a appended elements by my website name or at the date code hunter. Okay, also you can change this very easily, self press change from here. So guys, I think it's very easy. So no more talk. If you have any question about this, don't hesitate to comment in my comment box. I will try to answer as soon as possible. And also if you like this types of video, please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to share with your friends. Thank you very much.